I remember when I did Reiki One, and you know, I don't think I realised how much it was actually going to impact my life. I don't think I did. And it wasn't until I did it and I realised how crazy all these benefits were and why I hadn't done it sooner. And then I started meeting other people who had done Reiki as well. And that journey just unfolded. And I just couldn't believe all the things that you could work with it for. You know, what you could use it for. It was amazing. And that was just Reiki Degree One. And you know, I've been teaching it for years now. And whenever I teach, the main thing that people always say to me is, Suzanne, why didn't you get me to do it sooner? You know? And I think for a teacher, when you're training people all the time and it's your work and it's something that you love, there's a fine line between sharing with people and people being skeptical and thinking that you are just selling to them, you know? But I can't express how much you can actually get from training in Reiki with the right person. I can't. It's just phenomenal. So whenever I'm sharing anything, it really is from the heart. And I truly believe that the right people will come forward to come on the courses anyway. So if you have any questions about Reiki One, feel free to ask away. There's a multitude of things that you might want to know, and I will answer whatever it is that you've got in your mind that you're just wondering about. Because I think with Reiki, because you can sense it, because you can't see it, and because it can feel really untangible to somebody who of course doesn't work with it. There's so many questions, you know, how does it work? Well, you know, how will I be able to use it? What will I use it for? Etc, etc. There's so much, even just at that first level. So ask away any questions that you have. There's a course coming up soon, and if you want to be on it, just message me any questions and I will help you. Namaste.